Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you everything you need to know about the new sand sculpting hobby in Heartopia. So, as part of the half anniversary update, there's a brand new hobby that called Sand Sculpting. And to unlock it is very easy. First, just go to the central square and then just meet Azure, this NPC, and then next just talk to her, and then go to Fashion Wave hobby, and then in here you can just buy this sand sculpting hobby for 100 wishing star, this one. So just tap on it and then next just tap on purchase like this, and just like that you will obtain a new hobby sand sculpture, and then just tap on learn, and then after that you can also buy the hobby upgrade ticket as well on here, this one, and then next just tap purchase. It costs 50 wishing star like this. But just one important thing to know is that you will need to craft a sand base at your workbench. And unlike previous sculpting hobbies, its sand base is single use, so it's not permanent. And every time you want to sculpt, you need to craft a new one using these resources. Like this, just go to your workbench, and then next just choose the sand sculpture base. And then in here, for the resources, you need the egg stone, and then for quality timber, and just keep in mind the sand base is single use, so just think about whether this hobby is worth it for you before spending your materials. And then if you decide to try it, just craft a sand base, just tap on craft like this, and then after that you will get the sand base, and then next just place it in your house. Just open your backpack and then just place your sand sculpture base like this, and then next just tap it to begin like this, and then in here you just need to do the mini game by stop the arrow to the yellow area like this. Better timing will give you a higher chance of creating a better sculpture, and then after that you will have to guess what sculpture is being formed. If you guess correctly, you will receive that sculpture, and if you guess wrong, you will end up with a failed shape sculpture instead. For example, in here I want to choose eating rabbit. Okay, like this. I guessed correctly in here, so I got the sitting rabbit, and then next just pick this sand sculpture, and okay, just like that, like this. That's the everything you need to know about this new sand sculpting hobby in Heartopia. And then for last, every time you want to upgrade this hobby, you will need to buy another upgrade ticket from Azure for 50 wishing stars. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.